Practicing voice feminization, masculinization, or neutralization exercises alone is one thing, but actually using your voice in the real world? That's a whole different challenge. If you've ever felt stuck between practicing in private and speaking confidently in public, micro-conversations might be your missing step. Hi, I'm Renee, and I'm a gender-affirming voice teacher. I hear from so many students that they feel great in the practice room, but when they try and use their voice around others, it suddenly feels impossible. There are two main reasons why this happens. One, psychological barriers. Fear, anxiety, and self-consciousness can make it feel overwhelming to use your voice in front of others.
Yeah, I have social anxiety, Bob.
And two, endurance challenges. Maintaining your target voice for longer conversations is physically demanding, especially at first. This is where my endurance roadmap comes in. It's a step-by-step guide I created for my students to help them gradually increase how often and how long they use their target voice. The roadmap starts at 0%, where you never use your target voice in daily life, and moves up to 100%, where it becomes effortless and natural. And right in the middle of that roadmap is what we're focusing on today, micro-conversations.
What did you guys talk about? I don't know, just small talk.
Micro-conversations are those quick, low-stakes interactions we have with strangers throughout the day. These include ordering coffee, talking to a cashier, asking for directions.
I think we're lost.
We're not lost.
Thanking a bus driver, booking an appointment by phone, inquiring about services like haircuts or library hours, paying a stranger a compliment.
Small talk, small talk, small talk.
They might seem small, but they are an incredible tool for real-world practice. Some people think talking to strangers is harder than talking to friends and loved ones. But here's the thing. Strangers don't have any expectations for how your voice should sound. Unlike people who know you well, they aren't comparing your voice to how it used to be. The interaction is short and transactional. You don't have to keep it going for long. You can walk away. If you feel awkward, the interaction ends quickly and you move on with your day. This makes micro-conversations the perfect practice ground for building confidence without the pressure of long conversations.
I'm trying to elevate small talk to medium talk.
One common pitfall I see is that some people get stuck in a loop of hesitation. They feel like their voice isn't good enough yet, so they avoid trying, but because they don't practice, they never get better. If this sounds like you, I recommend lowering the bar as much as possible.
The bar is in hell.
Pick just one word. Practice that word, plan exactly when you'll use it, and celebrate when you do. The key is to take the first step, no matter how small. Now, let's see what this looks like in real life. I went out and recorded myself using different voices in different situations. Check out what happened. Hi, could we weigh our containers? I have 5 of this peanut butter jar. Oh no. Thank you.
Salut. Ça va? Oui, ça va bien, merci. Je vais prendre un petit latte.
Oui.
Merci. Non, pour ici. Ok, merci. Merci beaucoup.
Hi, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
What aisle would I find zip ties?
Aisle 34, 33.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Je vais prendre ton famille.
C'est Yoxon,
Yoxon.
Y-O-X-O-N.
Parfait. Est-ce que c'est un vélo?
Non,
Non.
c'est pour un vélo.
Parfait.
C'est the handles.
Problème. Je vais chercher ça, je reviens. Est-ce que vous avez une pièce d'identité?
Ouais. I started in the wrong voice with her. You know my glasses. Ouais.
Super. Voilà.
Merci beaucoup.
Bonne journée.
Bonne journée.
You want to start with coffee?
Yeah, I'd really like a coffee, please.
Are you ready to order?
I think I'm ready. Are you ready? And I'm gonna have the Eggs Benedict avocado. Thank you. So how'd I do? Small talk survivor. Get it? If you're ready to try this for yourself, here are some tips. 1, start small. Just a simple thank you or good morning in your target voice can make a huge difference. 2, use natural opportunities. Choose situations where people naturally usually speak, like ordering coffee or asking a store employee a question. 3, plan ahead. If you're nervous, rehearse what you're going to say so you don't freeze up in the moment. And 4, experiment. Try using different vocal techniques and notice how they feel in different interactions. Let's go back to that endurance roadmap. Micro-conversations sit right in the middle, and practicing them consistently will help you build up to longer conversations with ease. But if you want a structured path to follow, I go into much more depth in my trans voice courses, where I walk you through the full roadmap. Inside my courses, I not only break down the roadmap, but I also give you structured practice exercises to help you build confidence step by step. You can find the link in the description. If you want more voice training tips, sign up for my newsletter, where I send out exclusive resources to help you on your journey. Oh, and if you liked my Small Talk Survivor shirt, I've got an affiliate link in the description. It's from Occupied Mind, a really cool queer woman-owned Canadian brand.
Elbows up. Elbows up.
They did send me this, but this video isn't sponsored by them. I just really like their stuff.
I just think they're neat.
That's all for today. I've been Renee, and I hope this helps.
We're getting the cobwebs off.
Get the wiggles out. Your legs are caught on both lights.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
The cinematic tradition was not designed to work in normal people's households.
I believe that. Oh. All right. I couldn't say any word. Let me do that again.